Hi, and welcome to the EZReader Speech Settings tutorial part 3. In this video, we will continue to review some of the most used speech settings within EZReader. First, let's open Taskbar by clicking on the EZReader desktop shortcut. Then select Center Bar. Next, locate the EZReader Settings app on the bottom row. Once the app is open, you can see directly below the toolbar Speech Settings. This allows us to see and edit all speech settings on one page. First, we will start with a setting called Speak Minimal Key. This goes along with two settings that we covered in part 1, Speak Shortcuts and Include Key. The shortcut key for Speak Minimal Key is Ctrl-Alt-S as in Sam. This has two settings, on and off. Speak Minimal Key minimizes what is displayed and spoken when Speak Shortcuts and Shortcut Key are both on. Let's go ahead and leave this off for now, but turn on Speak Shortcuts and Include Key. Now I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut key for changing the color pair, Ctrl-Y.
Shortcut pressed, color pair, Ctrl-Y.
We hear shortcut pressed, color pair, Ctrl-Y. Now let's turn on Minimal Key and press Ctrl-Y again.
Shortcut pressed, color pair, CY.
We hear shortcut pressed, color pair, CY. So the difference is now we only hear CY. You will also see the Minimal Key affect the hover text. So let's hover over the color icon and we see C-Y. Let's turn off Minimal Key and then hover over the color icon again. We see the full word Ctrl-Y. All right, so let's go ahead and leave on Speak Shortcuts and turn off Include Key for now. And let's turn Minimal Key back on. The next speech setting we will review is called Speak Keys. The shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift-K. This setting will turn on speech as the user types in editor fields. There are 4 settings to control what is spoken. There's none, letters, words, and both. For now, let's start with the letters setting. Again, I'm also going to make sure that Speak Shortcuts is on, but I also need to turn on Speak Action as well for this demo, since we will be using a keyboard shortcut to change the Speak Keys settings. So let's exit the Settings app, and from Center Bar, we're going to go into File Editor. When you open Editor, the cursor is already in the Editor field. So you can just start typing and you will hear the letters pressed as you type.
H, E, L, L, O.
So now I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-K to change the Speak Keys setting.
Shortcut pressed, editor keys. Speak editor keywords.
So now the setting is on words.
Hello. No. Hi.
All right, so now let's use the keyboard shortcut again to change the setting to both.
Shortcut pressed, editor keys. Speak editor key both. N, O, no. H, I, hi.
To turn off, press Ctrl-Shift-K again.
Shortcut pressed, editor keys. Speak editor key none.
So while we're in the Editor app, let's review a couple additional speech controls that are not located in settings, but they do have a keyboard shortcut. The first is called Speak Location, and the shortcut key is F12. Speak Location will tell you the name of the app, what has focus, and will read the current line. And remember, for this setting, speak action F10 must be turned on. I'm going to press F12.
Shortcut pressed. Speak location. Editor, line 7 of 7, no high.
The other feature is called Speak Current Line, and the shortcut key is Control-Shift-L, as in Larry. This feature speaks the current line in an editor field. So I will now press Control-Shift-L.
Shortcut pressed, current line. Line 7, no high.
This concludes part 3 of the speech settings tutorial. Please watch the other videos in the speech settings series for more information. You can also reach out to the EZReader support team for more help with speech settings.